You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name or the nickname of this generation. How do you say it? Well, two different ways of pronouncing it, just like the letter. In British English it is said as Gen Z, Gen Z. In American English it is normally pronounced as Gen Z, Gen Z. Perhaps Gen Z is more common globally, but both are correct. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.